Good morning, class. Okay, so for your attendance, kindly just comment down below your name and your section. So, kung nagtataka po kayo bakit ako nag-send ng video lesson ngayong araw na ito, is because kahapon po hindi ko kayo na-meet dahil nga po nag-prepare ako for my final demonstration. And naisip ko na para naman po makakope kayo sa ating discussion ngayon or sa ating mga lessons, para isa na ring way para maka-review kayo for your exam is through this video lesson. Para kumpleto po kayo ng notes, kumpleto kayo ng lesson this fourth quarter sa science. Okay? So, for for this video lesson, you don't need to send me anything dahil hindi po ako magpapasend ng activity. However, from time to time, I will be needing your responses. I will be needing your participation para naman po makarecord ako ng mga bibigyan ko ng reward. Kaya, I hope na kahit wala kayong isasend sa aking activity, magpa-participate pa rin kayo dito sa ating video lesson. Okay? So, for our first activity this morning, we have here this one, SciShot Duel. So, dito magpapakita lang po ako sa inyo ng pictures and you just have to comment down below kung ano yung mga observations ninyo. So, first picture and second picture. Yan. So, you can pause this video and comment down kung ano yung mga observations na nakita ninyo. Okay. So let's proceed to our lesson to the lesson objectives of our lesson this morning. So first, we have here identify the different factors that affect the rate of chemical reactions. And second, explain how the factors affecting the rates of chemical reactions are applied in food preservation, materials production, and etc. And lastly, we need to recognize the role of chemical reaction in real life. Okay, so for this morning, we will focus on the different factors affecting the rate of chemical reaction. And you will be able to do that by observing the video clips that I will be showing you. So, ready na po ba tayo? Okay, thank you very much. Okay. So, first video clip.
Full
Wait
and
a
one
minute.
is pulverized.
Yan.
So this is the
So, dito po sa video clip na ito, ang gagawin po ni, kung makikita ninyo, meron tayong tubig, 2 baso, and 2 tablets. So, yung isa ay whole tablet and yung isa ay powderized tablet. So, kindly observe what will
comparison
happen.
of the. Are you ready? Almost full.
Yan, nagpo-pour na po si ma'am ng water.
2. Okay. The rate of the reaction.
So, kindly observe what will happen. Okay. So,
Ready?
1, 2, 3. Yan.
Okay.
So, ano po
you
yung naging
see
observation ninyo?
the
Saan dyan
reaction
yung mas nagkaroon ng mas mabilis na chemical
of the
reaction?
vitamin C. The pulverized
Kindly
one
comment it down kung
is
gusto mo.
immediately reacted.
Okay. So, your observation is the first factor that we are looking for, which is all about surface area. So it states here that the smaller size of a solid reactant, the faster its rate of reaction and vice versa. So ibig sabihin po nito, kapag mas maliit po ang size ng isang reactant, mas mabilis po ang reaction. And vice versa, kapag mas malaki yung reactant, mas mabagal po yung reaction. Okay? So, ina-explain po nito kung bakit tuwing nag-aaron tayo or tuwing ano bang Tagalog na nag-aaron? Or, kumbaga, halimbawa, mag-iihaw tayo, tapos kailangan natin ng uling. Kailangan natin mag-aron, di ba? So, kung papansin natin, mas mabilis tayong nakakapagningas ng uling kung mas maliliit po yung uling na gagamitin natin. Di ba? Okay, katulad na nasa picture. Mas mabilis pong nasusunog yung mas maliliit na sticks kumpara kung magsusunog po tayo ng mas malalaking mga kahoy. Okay? Nagets po ba natin? Okay, very good. So, let's proceed to our next video clip. Okay, saglit lang po. Yan. Oops, yan. So, we have here this one. So, kailangan lang po natin dito ng cold water and ng hot water and ng 2 tablets.
Now it doesn't
Ngayon,
break.
kindly observe what mom will do. Okay?
So this is cold water and this is hot water.
Sa hot water and
Now
cold
see.
water. Yan. So, saan po dyan yung mas mabilis ang chemical
You
reaction?
see how the cold water
Dito po ba sa mainit?
and the hot
Dito
water
sa
reacted with the vitamin
left side
C
or sa right
tablet?
side na malamig?
The cold water
Kindly comment
is
down
still
below kung ano yung
reacting
observation ninyo.
while the hot water is almost
Okay,
finished.
very good. So that explains our next factor.
Might break.
Which is temperature. So it states here that as the temperature increases, the rate of reaction also increases, and as the temperature decreases, the rate of reaction also decreases. So mas mabilis po nagkakaroon ng chemical reaction kapag mas mainit po. So this explains kung bakit mas mabilis pong mapanis ang gatas kapag hindi natin siya nire-ref. Kasi kung mainit, mas mabilis po nagkakaroon ng reaction yung bacteria. Mas mabilis nagpo-form yung bacteria kaya nagkakaroon ng pagpapanis po ng mga pagkain. Kung kaya naman, kung mapapansin natin sa mga bahay-bahay natin, nire-ref po natin yung mga mabilis na mapanis na pagkain katulad ng karne, katulad na lamang, ano pa bang pagkain yung mabilis po? Yung mga ulam natin, nire-ref po natin nang sa gayon, mas bumagal po yung reaction, mas babagal po yung pag-form ng bacteria. Okay? Gets po ba natin? May katanungan po ba tayo? If none, let's proceed to the third clip. Okay, saglit lang po. Oops. Yan.
Peroxide.
So, dito, kailangan po
each
natin ng
glasses.
hydrogen peroxide, yung agua oxinada. Yan. So,
1,
maglalagay po si ma'am ng hydrogen peroxide sa 2 glasses
2.
natin. And after that, sa isang baso, maglalagay po si
1.
ma'am ng yeast. So, yung yeast, yung ginagamit natin pag nagbe-bake tayo ng mga pastries or ng mga bread. Nang sa gayon, mas mabilis.
When hydrogen peroxide is at
yung
this
mga
state,
dough natin.
it is already disintegrating. But you cannot see it because it's really slow.
Okay.
Meaning it will hide. So this is
Now,
a pouring spoon. So I will just 1.
Yan. Kindly write your observations
So
or
without a
kindly comment
catalyst,
down your
this
observations.
hydrogen peroxide is already disintegrating, but very slow.
Okay.
We'll see what will happen.
3, 2, 1.
Okay. So now,
Yan. So, nakita na po ba ninyo?
what can you see?
Nilagyan ng
The hydrogen
yeast,
peroxide
yung
with a
nangyari?
catalyst
Comment
disintegrate
down
faster,
nga po.
meaning the oxygen is already being released very fast.
Very good. So, that explains our
So, and
third
peroxide.
fact. Which is the catalyst. So, ano nga po ba kasi yung catalyst? So, si catalyst ay isang substance na nagbabago ng bilis ng isang chemical reaction. Okay? So, sa nakita ninyong observation ninyo kanina, ano yung nag-serve doon as a catalyst? Ano yung nag-serve doon or ano yung bagay na nagpabilis sa chemical reaction dun sa observation ninyo kanina? Very good. Yung yeast po natin. Okay? So, this also explains kung bakit sa ating mga dough or sa ating mga dough or kapag nagbe-bake tayo ng pandesal, kinakailangan po nating maglagay ng yeast para nang sa gayon mas bumilis po yung pag-rise or pag-alsa ng ating mga dough. Gets po ba natin? Okay. So now let's proceed to our last factor. So wait lang po. Yan. Oops, yan. So dito, ang ginawa po ni ma'am, sa unang baso, naglagay po siya ng 3 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide. Sa pangalawang baso, naglagay siya ng 2 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide at hinaluan niya po ng 1 tablespoon of water. And sa pangatlong baso po, naglagay lamang po siya ng 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide at 2 tablespoon of water. So kung mapapansin natin, ang pinakamataas na concentration ng hydrogen peroxide ay yung first po nating baso. And after that po, lalagyan po ni ma'am ng yeast solution yung tatlong baso na yon, yung yeast and warm water.
Okay?
So observe
So,
po natin.
1, 2, 3. So, can you see the reaction? Which one is the fastest? So,
sa
this
tatlong
one.
baso na yan,
And then
saan
next
yung may
is this one.
pinakamabilis na chemical
And then the
reaction?
last one is this one. So,
Kindly
this is the
comment
least
it down below
concentrated.
po.
And this is the more concentrated.
Okay, very good. So, we are now down to our last factor. which is about concentration. So concentration is defined as the measure of the number of particles of solute contained in each volume of solution. So sa tatlong baso po na nakita ninyo, ang may pinakamataas na concentration ng hydrogen peroxide ay yung first po nating baso. Okay? So it states here that the higher the concentration of particles, the faster the rate of reaction, and vice versa. Kung kaya naman po, kapag nagtatanggal tayo ng mantsa, kung mas madami po tayong ilalagay na lemon or calamansi, yung mas common sa atin, kung naglalagay po tayo, or kung lalagyan po natin yung mga mantsa ng mas madaming calamansi or mas madaming lemon, mas mabilis po nating matatanggal yung mantsa sa ating mga damit. Okay po ba yon? May katanungan po ba tayo? Kung wala po, kindly comment down kung ano po yung 4 na factor na nakakaapekto sa chemical reaction. Comment mo lang yung 4. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. So, very good kung ang kinomit ninyo ay surface area, temperature, concentration, and catalyst. Okay, so again, may papakita ulit ako sa inyo mga pictures. First picture and second picture. Now, class, ngayong alam na ninyo yung different factors that affects the chemical reaction, ano po sa tingin ninyo yung nagkukos para sa mga stages natin para mag-fade away? Isa rin tong phenomena na common na nangyayari dahil nga sa iba't ibang reaction ng mga chemicals sa ating atmosphere. It begins with letter A and it ends begins with letter A and it ends with letter N. Okay, so if your answer is because of acid rain, tama po kayo. So, acid rain po ay isang phenomena, hindi na po siya common sa atin. Since, kumbaga, kahit pa nung kabataan ko, naging issue, kabataan, bata pa rin naman pala ako. Kahit nung LM ako, yun na lang. Kahit nung LM pa ako, naging issue na, isa na yan sa pinaka-leading na issue kung bakit ang daming, kumbaga, nangyayaring iba't ibang situations sa ating lahat. Okay? So acid rain, it is a chemical reaction that begins when compounds like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide are released into air. So ibig sabihin po, si acid rain is a chemical reaction between sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide sa ating atmosphere. So, dahil nga po nagkakaroon ng chemical reaction between them, ang product po is si acid rain. And once na umulan ng acid rain, yan, kung uulan, aaraw, yun po yung nagkukos para sa ating mga metal, para mga lawang. Sa ating mga statues, para mabura yung iba't iba nilang features, matanggal yung paint, and etc. And para naman po sa ating mga plants, mas mabilis pong namamatay ang mga plants dahil sa acid rain. Okay, so class, familiar ba kayo dito sa picture na ito? Okay, yan, saan nyo natatagpuan? Sa Rizal Shrine. Okay, so very good class. So dahil nga po sa acid rain, yan. So, noong unang panahon, noong unang gawa pa yung Rizal Shrine na yan, hindi ganyan ang paint niya, hindi din ganyan ang itsura ni Rizal dyan. So, sa paint niya, of course, ang ganda ng pagkakapintura, white na white. Si Rizal naman, ang itsura niya hindi ganyan, wala siyang faded na parts. Pero dahil nga sa acid rain, nagsimulang nagtuklapan yung mga paints and nagsimulang nabura yung ibang features ni Rizal. Okay? So that may katanungan po ba tayo? Okay, so if none, kindly just try to answer this one. Comment nyo na lang. Comment nyo na lang, okay? So, this is only true or false. So, you can pause this video. So, number 1, catalysts help alter the rate of chemical reactions. Number 2, low temperature speeds up reaction rates. Number 3, high concentration of chemical increases the reaction rate. Number 4, the larger the particle size, the faster the reaction rate. And lastly, high temperature means faster rate of chemical reaction. So, bibigyan ko kayo ng 10 seconds para i-comment yung sagot ninyo. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so these are the answers para sa ating activity. True, false, true, false, true. Okay? So, class, thank you very much for your active participation. That ends our discussion. And kindly wait po sa ating reviewer. Currently, I am creating a video reviewer para na magsaserve, of course, as reviewer ninyo for your final examination. Okay? So, I hope that you have learned something from me this morning. And thank you very much. Bye bye.